Submitting a skilled visa application to Australia under Subclass 189190 or 491 is a significant step in your migration journey. One of the most common reasons for delays, additional requests from the Department of Home Affairs, or even refusals is the lack of proper supporting evidence at the time of visa lodgement. Many applicants assume that lodging an expression of interest or obtaining a positive skills assessment is enough. However, the actual visa application is a completely separate process that requires solid documentation to back up every claim made. In this video, we'll break down the most important evidences you should attach up front when lodging your skilled visa, so you can avoid unnecessary ambiguity, requests for further information, or potential visa refusals. One of the most crucial aspects is work experience. If you've claimed points for employment, or even if you haven't but have relied on your experience to get a positive skills assessment, you need to ensure those claims are well documented. The DHA may request proof of employment used in the skill assessment, even if you didn't claim points for it. While some applicants choose to wait and provide documents only if requested under a Section 56 notice, it's often advisable to submit them up front to prevent delays. Key documents include pay slips covering as many months and years as possible, bank statements showing your salary deposits, preferably under the employer's name, or a clarification letter from HR if a different reference is used. Supporting financial records like superannuation documents, such as employee provident fund records, and tax returns, even if showing zero tax, can also be helpful. Additional work-related documents include your employment contract, any promotion or confirmation letters, and a reference letter from your employer clearly stating your job title, employment period, salary range, job duties, and reporting lines. This letter should be signed by your HR or direct manager. An organizational chart showing where your position fits in the hierarchy and a current resume that aligns with your claimed experience can further strengthen your application. You can refer to below Sample S56 Request Receive by one of the applicant. Next, qualifications are another mandatory part of the visa lodgement. You should submit your academic transcripts, degree or diploma certificates, and, if available, a formal letter or statement from your educational institution. These documents are required to validate your education-based points claims and for the DHA to match them with your skill assessment outcome. The positive skill assessment itself is a non-negotiable document. Whether you obtained your assessment through VetAssess, CPA, Engineers Australia, or any other assessing authority, the final outcome letter must be uploaded, as this directly supports your eligibility and the occupation you are applying under. For age and identity verification, it is advisable to upload at least 3 to 4 documents from a range of acceptable options. These may include your birth certificate, national identity card, passport bio page, driving license, school leaving certificate, family book, or even an X-ray or IMEI card in some cases. You don't need to submit all of them, but having multiple identity documents reduces the chance of delays or questions around your personal identity and age. Character history is another critical area. Police clearance certificates are required from any country where you've lived for 12 months or more in the past 10 years, starting from age 16. This includes your home country as well as any country where you held long-term residence. Ensure the certificates are current and cover the required timeframes. Travel documentation should also be included. At minimum, you need to upload the bio page of your passport. If available, add pages showing immigration stamps or visa labels from your travel history, boarding passes, and any other documents showing international movement. This helps DHA verify your travel claims and supports your character and residency history. Language ability is equally essential. Submit the English language test result you used to claim points, such as IELTS, PTE, or TOEFL. Make sure the scores meet the required level for your visa type and that the report is valid at the time of lodgement. Lastly, if you are lodging your application with dependents, make sure you provide additional documents for each family member. For a spouse, this includes a marriage certificate, passport copy, English language test result, or skill assessment outcome, and any documents that prove your ongoing relationship, such as family photos, joint travel records, or a family book. For children, birth certificates and passport copies are mandatory. In conclusion, the skilled visa process may seem document-heavy, but submitting all relevant evidence up front gives you the best chance of a smooth and fast visa processing experience. It reduces the risk of requests for further information, avoids confusion or ambiguity, and ensures that the DHA has all the information they need to make a positive decision on your application. Being proactive with your documentation is key to strengthening your case. Always refer to the latest requirements on the Department of Home Affairs website, or consult with a registered migration agent to tailor your submission based on your specific circumstances. Preparing well is preparing smart.